choose the greatest invention of human being, electricity must be the champion. The born of electricity has given a giant leap to mankind's productivity and living standard. From the space to the sea, from satellite communication to underwater cable. Those amazing instruments are the prominent achievements of electrical engineers. Yet, the power of individuals is limited. To consolidate force, professionals started to team up together for knowledge and experience sharing, enhancement, and, eventually, technology advancement. Countless electrical engineering institutions have been formed around the world. Before long, the Electrical Division was established under the Hong Kong Institution of Engineers in 1978. Since its establishment, the Electrical Division has grown significantly. Today, it has more than 3,000 members. Members of the division come from different sectors of our society and widely spread in different industry categories, including construction, education, power generation, maintenance, manufacturing, technical sales transmission and distribution, and transportation engineering. Thus, it is a fair statement that the division in itself is a perfect representative to the profession in the electrical industry. To serve its members and to promote the electrical engineering profession, the division has arranged numerous activities for its members, including annual symposium, international conferences and symposiums, technical seminars and visits, etc. In addition, the division also actively participates in community affairs, for example serving advisory boards such as those on electrical safety and higher education to offer professional advices to the Hong Kong government. To encourage knowledge flow, the division had arranged a lot of technical visits for members. Of course, the division never forgets the importance of periodic technical refreshment for members. Henceforth, it is division's practice to invite professionals and academics to host technical talks for members periodically. Since 1978, more than 200 local technical talks have been delivered. Nurturing new generation of electrical engineer is the commitment of the division to the society. Starting from 1992, the division also jointly organizes the project competition on electrical science with the Education Bureau and local power utilities to promote electrical engineering and let more new talents share the challenging experience and career of an electrical engineer. Recognizing that the division is the most appropriate platform to collaborate the diverse areas of electrical engineering, the division published a book in 2006 called Book, with a total of 28 stories, covering a wide spectrum of electrical engineering in different areas to provide readers a good perspective on electrical engineering and put on records of the historical electrical engineering development in Hong Kong over the past few decades. As to maintain a high quality in electrical engineering works, the Electrical Division has helped to develop a series of safety standards for the industry in territory. This practice contributed a lot to Hong Kong electrical engineering standard and earned a respectable position in the world for Hong Kong. Hong Kong, being part of the Pan-Pearl Delta, is having closer tie with the mainland. The institution is rooted in Hong Kong but receiving continuous support from the China counterpart. Starting from 1984, the division pays frequent visits to various immense infrastructures in different parts of China. To broaden the horizon of fellow members in the economical, political systems, basic laws, and engineering development in China, the division organized its first China study course in Peking University in 2008, in collaboration with the Liaison Office of the Central People's Government in the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. The course was well attended by 28 members, with all classes of membership coming from utility companies, government organizations, contractors, and consultants. To further tie in with the engineering profession of China, the division's delegation joined the Chinese Society for Electrical Engineering, CSEE, annual meeting since 2007 to enhance the relations with the mainland institutions and share experience with delegates from various parts of our country. Meanwhile, as a contribution to our motherland, the division has sponsored the electricity supply project in rural China region to help improving their living standard. As a way to gain a firm foothold of the division's status in the international community, the division has organized the International Conference on Electrical Engineering, HKIE, jointly with Japan, Korea and China since 1996 to map out new minds and dotting new roads to future success. The development has been continuing ever since with accomplishment of other prominent constructions like the Science Park, International Finance Center, Longping 360. We can find the footprint of our members in all those projects. Without the underlying advanced transportation, electrical and telecommunication infrastructure, Hong Kong will not have become an international metropolis and financial center nowadays. Entering the new era, countless projects are waiting for us to embrace. There will be more and more opportunities and new challenges coming up for the new achievers in the field of electrical engineering. No matter in government sectors, education, public transportation, public utility, consultant, contractors, and suppliers, etc. There is always a significant role for the electrical engineers to play and to contribute success to the greater society of the engineering. To be an electrical engineer is already a recognition of success. To become a part in the elite HKIE group earns an even higher respect and satisfaction you deserve from the society. Higher the challenge, greater the fortune.